So welcome again to Jim's Trans Zone. Jim Costello, Sam Lehman Morton, 309-208-8268. So today the second offering will be a 2013 Mustang Premium GT. This vehicle is a one owner, never been in an accident, 7,100 miles. It is a manual transmission, which is the one to get if you really like muscle cars, and it is phenomenal. So here is the 2013 5-liter Premium Mustang. It does have your added scoops, hood scoops as well. Come around to the back. Tires are in excellent condition. Vehicle is straight as an arrow. It is a lady-driven car, and as you can see, she took very good care of this car. Over here to the side. And that, folks, is a 2013 Mustang Premium GT. Okay, so inside this 2013 Mustang, as you can see, it has 7,147 miles. This, of course, is the Premium. It does have your Bluetooth as well as your hands-free cellular calling. And, of course, all the amenities that you would expect. This is a stick shift. It does have the power trunk release as well as traction control. This car is a beauty. It is a one owner. And it is exceptionally nice. Power windows, of course, power door locks, power mirrors, power seat, everything you would expect. Cruise control, your information system, all ready to roll.